Scribe is Stanford's document conversion tool. It supports the transformation of text and image-based file types into different formats. For example, Scribe can convert an image-based PDF, one without highlightable text, into a PDF with digital text. The PDF with digital text can then be read with various assistive technologies. Scribe can now be accessed directly from within Canvas. Here's how to do so. Click on Scribe in the course navigation links within your class in Canvas. Choose the file that you wish to convert from the list of files that have been uploaded to the course. Next, choose the file conversion you wish. For more information about these options, visit scribe.stanford.edu. I want to convert an image-based PDF into one with digital text, so I'm going to select Accessibility Conversion. Next, I choose Tagged PDF, Image over Text, and then click on Campus Email. This sends the file to Scribe for the conversion. A few minutes later, I will receive an email at my Stanford email address. The converted file will be attached, or there will be a link to download that file, depending on its size. How long until you receive the email depends on the file size, the conversion type requested, and the load on the Scribe servers. In my example, the file I uploaded had 27 pages and I received the email in 8 minutes. This email will come from pony@censusaccess.com, so be sure to add that to your address book so it's not filtered out by your spam filter. Here is the email that comes from Census Access and the link where I can download the converted file to use with my assistive technology. For more details about Scribe, visit scribe.stanford.edu.